Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Circle.so, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Circle.so website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Select your account type based on your needs, such as for community builders or educators. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets security requirements. Click Sign Up to proceed with your registration. Check your email for a verification link from Circle.so. Open the email and click on the verification link to verify your address. Return to the Circle.so website after verifying your email. Fill out the necessary information to complete your profile setup. Choose a community name that resonates with your vision. Customize your community by selecting a suitable theme and colors. Set up your community's description to inform potential members what to expect. Select privacy settings to determine who can join and access your community. Choose the features and tools you want to use within your community. Review the details and click Create Community to finalize your registration. Once your community is created, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. Start inviting members by sharing the community link. Engage with your new community members and encourage participation. Keep the community vibrant by posting updates and initiating discussions regularly. Stay informed about Circle.so updates and new features to enhance your community experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.